你作為 owners own 住個飛機，而家仲係講緊2017喎，因為點解咧？2024年有個 amendment 㗎，我陣間講一講。咁咧而家仲係講緊2017咧，我哋啱啱咧頭先啊，咪講咗呢個2017年呢個新嘅法規 number 3嘅，佢仲有一樣嘢益你㗎，就係咧點樣計嗰個 owners 即係 QAL 嘅 accessible profits，即係等於 taxable profit 啦。嗱，你嘅 tax rate 就已經係8.25% 㗎啦。如果滿足嗰啲條件，剛才講咗，佢而家咧仲有個優惠就係我哋叫做20% tax-based concession。咁呢個咧就係計呢個 accessible profit 啦，for 呢個 QAL 好着數㗎，係用你20% of 嘅 net rentals。咩叫做 net rental 咧？就係你個 gross rental 啦，減咗咧個 tax deductible 嘅 expenses under 香港嘅 Inland Revenue Ordinance 啦。但係有一樣嘢係唔減得嘅，就係你唔可以減飛機個 depreciation allowance。嗱，所以我哋如果加埋嚟諗咧，點解着數咧？嗱，第一，我哋剛才有講過係有8.25% 噶嘛，呢一度係咪8.25%？咁而家你8.25% 乘2咧，嘅 accessible profit 係20% of 嘅 net rental。咁你見我都做咗俾你啦，20% 乘以我哋嘅 tax rate 8.25%，所以個 effective tax rate 咧就變咗係1.65% on 你嘅 net rental 啦。咁我特別咧再 mention 俾大家啦，你會見到啦。如果你要攞到呢個8.25% 咧，你係唔能夠攞到飛機個 depreciation allowance。嗱，不過呢個咧就係2017嘅啫，記住，陣間有 update 㗎。嗱，我哋有啲 situations 咧係唔能夠攞到呢個20% 嘅 tax-based concession。嗱，呢一啲咧，我哋去到真係個 course 裏邊咧，就會教大家點樣分析㗎啦。咁另外咧，仲有呢一版啊，1.3都重要㗎。